So you know those spots are in signal number 4, right? Well, I tell you what. Extreme southern portion eastern sama Ginawa Mercedes western southern portion later mahapla Boyog Baybay Nupakan Hilongos Indam Bato Matalong Avion Mercato La Paz Marioga Bawawen Isabel Merida Abuela Dola Goideta Palumpon Sandanete Danuda portion Cebu Lapu-Lapu City Cordova Mandama Cebu City Anambang Asturias Dalao City Compostela Leloan Consolacion Bourbon Carmen Tubuan Capmon Sugod, Tabuelan, Tabogon, San Remigio, City of Bogo, Tornado City, City of Tanisan, Manila, Economic Commodus Islands, Dondo Tanisan, Poso na Bohol, President Carlos P. Garcia. This is going to be part 3, kay this is already going to be so bad. Getafe, Trinidad, Dubai, Bien Unida, Talibon, Tanto na Mos Oriental, Hermoso Canlaon City.